Hi everyone, this is Yushim. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this earring. I used white clay and Sculpey Primo Opal Effect. And I start by cutting out the shape of my earring. And after I cut out the shape that I want, I started cutting out the flower petals from the white clay. You don't have to use white clay. You can use whatever color you want. This depends on what color you want your roses to be. And next, you will need this metal dotting tool. And you want to put the flower petal on a silicone mold and then roll it to make it thinner. You can also roll it on your hands. So you want to roll the middle first and then roll the outside. By making the flower petal thinner, your flower will become more realistic. I suggest you roll out more than you need. You can also make extra flowers and bake the flowers and keep them in a box. So next time when you're making earrings, you can use those flowers immediately. You don't have to remake them. Next, you're going to start making the flower. You're going to layer the petals. Depending on how big you want your flower to be, you can make the layers more or less. After you're done adding all the layers, you're going to cut away the bottom to make the bottom flat or at an angle. This depends on how you want to position your flowers on the earring. Let's say if you want the flowers facing left, then you would cut the bottom at an angle. But if you want it facing up, then you would cut it flat. After you cut the bottom, you want to bake these flowers first. I would bake for half of the time. And after you bake them and let it cool, you would add liquid clay onto the base of the earring, and then you're going to press the flowers into the earring. Make sure that you use liquid clay because they would fall off really easily if you don't use liquid clay. And now I'm just adding leaves. You can use some alcohol to wipe away the dust and fingerprint on the clay whenever you need. After you finish adding all the details to your earring, you would want to bake them, but you want to bake them on a piece of printing paper, clean printing paper, to make the back clean so you don't have to sand after. And after they're baked, you're going to drill the hole to assemble the earrings. I had to sand these a little bit because I'm using the opal effect. There's plastic in this clay, but if you're using a clay that doesn't have plastic inside, then you can clean the edges with alcohol before baking them. After cleaning the edges, I washed them and then assembled them with some findings. And now it's all done. This clay looks really different under different lighting. It is translucent if you see it under the light or under the sun. I have some more photos at the end. Under different kind of lighting, the color's a little different. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.